In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted files on a Windows computer, even if you already emptied the recycle bin. The first thing you need to do is go to the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on it, then type Store into the search bar. You should see an option called Microsoft Store appear. Click on that to open it. Once the Microsoft Store is open, look at the top for a search box. Click inside that box and type Windows File Recovery. After a few seconds, you should see the app show up. It's made by Microsoft. If you haven't installed it before, click on the Get button. If you already have it installed, you'll see an Open button instead. Go ahead and click Open. If for some reason the app doesn't open right away, go back to your Start menu. You can check the Recently Added section or scroll through your list of apps. They're in alphabetical order, so scroll down to W and find Windows File Recovery. Click on it to open the app. When it opens, you'll see a black window. This is a command line tool. To begin, type the command WinFor. This stands for Windows File Recovery. Then, type the letter of the drive where the file was before you deleted it. That's usually the C drive, but in my case, I'm putting drive E, so type WinFor E:next. You need to type the letter of a different drive where you want the recovered files to be saved. This could be a USB drive or another hard drive in your computer. Let's say you want to save them to drive D. Your command now looks like this: WinFor E:(D:). Now, you need to tell it what kind of files to look for. You do that by typing a space, then /n*.pdf. This means it will search for any deleted PDF file. The full command now is WinFor E:(D:/n*.pdf. Press Enter on your keyboard. The tool will ask if you want to continue. Type the letter Y and press Enter again. The app will begin scanning your C drive for deleted PDF files. This might take a few minutes depending on how much data you have. When it finishes, it will let you know and ask if you want to view the recovered files. If you do, type Y again and press Enter. It will then open the folder where the recovered files were saved. You can go into those folders and look for the PDF file you need. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.